How to find your target gift card number. To find your 15-digit target gift card number and 8-digit access code PIN, you need to locate the silver scratch off strip on the back of your physical card and gently scratch it off. Flip the card over to find the card number and access code. There you'll find. But if it is your digital eGift card, you can simply open the delivery email from Target to view the card number, access code and barcode. And if you want to save your Target account online, simply go to your Target account. So simply navigate to your profile and tap on My Target account. Now just below My Payments, there is an option for gift cards. Now here you are able to save your cards, a new gift card, and you'll be able to see the available balance. Simply tap on Add Gift Card to add a new gift card, and you just have to enter your access number and tap on Add to make changes. And further below there is a clear instruction with image where you'll find here it is written, gently remove the metallic strip on the back of your gift card like this, and to reveal both the card and access number on your card, it would be written just like this. You just have to see this, and that's it guys. You'll be able to find your gift card number. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video useful, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.